Welcome back to Webociti's Marketing Makeover series. Today, we're diving into the heart of digital marketing, content creation. In this episode, we'll uncover strategies that not only engage but also convert by making your prospect the hero of your story. Effective content does more than share information. It connects, it resonates, and it drives action. When you make your prospect the hero, you're not just selling a product or service. You're offering a solution to their problem, a path to their success. To structure this effectively, we use a 7-step framework. First, identify the customer's struggle. Next, amplify the importance of solving this issue. Then, position your product as the solution and provide proof with testimonials or data. Explain the benefits, direct them clearly on what to do next, and start with a hook point. Each piece of content should start with a strong hook point, a statement or question that grabs attention and makes the viewer want to learn more. It's about catching the eye in a sea of information. By following these steps, you create a narrative that places your prospects at the center of the story. This approach not only enhances engagement, but also boosts conversion rates. Remember, the power of content creation lies in connecting with your audience on a personal level and guiding them towards solutions that enrich their lives or businesses. Tune in next time as we explore how to turn these strategies into dynamic campaigns. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on all our latest insights. Have questions or want to see specific examples? Drop a comment below or reach out. We love helping businesses grow through strategic content.